The article discusses the severe deprivation of food and shelter in India, focusing on the period from 2018 to 2021 during the National Democratic Alliance (NDA) regime. Despite claims of economic growth and poverty reduction, the study reveals a rise in deprivation. Around 48% of respondents lacked money for food, and 44.3% lacked money for shelter in 2021, with the highest proportion of deprivation among the poorest. Caste disparities were evident, with other backward classes, OBCs, experiencing significant deprivation. Rural areas faced higher deprivation than urban areas. The study suggests that trust in the NDA, coupled with policy failures, aggravated food and shelter deprivations.
The Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, renowned globally, are facing a crisis despite their elite status. Some IITs have expanded abroad, like IIT Madras in Zanzibar and IIT Delhi in Abu Dhabi. However, concerns arise about the quality, faculty standards, and motivations behind these ventures. The recent expansion of IITs within India has led to varying standards and a shortage of quality faculty, with many positions vacant. Attracting top professors is challenging due to low salaries and bureaucratic hurdles. The article questions the wisdom of domestic and overseas expansion, emphasizing the need for quality over quantity in India's higher education system.
Two Indian states, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, have approached the Supreme Court, highlighting concerns about governors using their authority to delay or undermine decisions made by elected governments. The states question the delay in granting assent to bills passed by the legislature, as well as the inaction on various proposals. Some governors, particularly in states not governed by the ruling party at the center, are accused of obstructing decisions and bills, especially those that diminish their power, such as amendments to university laws. The article advocates for a national prohibition on governors serving as chancellors of universities, emphasizing their limited role outlined in the Constitution. The absence of a time frame for giving assent has allowed some governors to stymie laws, prompting the need for a sense of immediacy in their decision-making processes, adhering to the Constitution's aid and advice clause.
The Tamil Nadu government's decision to establish a fact-checking unit to address misinformation and disinformation on various media platforms has raised concerns about governmental overreach. This move follows a similar initiative by the Karnataka government and aligns with the centre's IT rules, allowing the Ministry of Electronics and IT to appoint a similar unit. Critics, including the Editors Guild of India, have challenged these rules in court, emphasizing the importance of safeguarding freedom of speech. The courts have expressed reservations about government-controlled fact-checking units, advocating for independent bodies with principles of natural justice and judicial oversight to handle misinformation issues.
On 29 October, two explosions occurred during a Jehovah's Witnesses meeting in Kalamseri, Kerala, killing 3 people and injuring many. The attacks were allegedly carried out by a disgruntled man named Martin V.D., who was reportedly unhappy with the beliefs of the group. Martin confessed to the crime, stating that he acted against the congregation because he found their teachings to be anti-national. He assembled crude explosive devices using online tutorials and planted them under chairs in the convention center. Martin surrendered to the police, producing evidence against himself, including receipts for the materials he purchased and videos of the explosions. 2 other victims, Leona Paulos and Kumari Pushpan, also lost their lives in the tragedy. The incident has led to concerns and investigations regarding the motive and security measures at the meeting.